channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys! Guys, come in closer. I'm super excited for today. Oh yeah, I'm super excited. You see this room right here? I know you saw the title of the video. But I haven't done anything to this laundry room from the day we moved in. Because it was like, super boring. Super boring and super basic, horrific builder. Oh, yeah. This builder, let me just say, is the worst builder I've ever seen in my life. Just saying. There's no window, no nothing in this laundry room. Okay, I'm going to stop yip yapping. I'm going to roll the clip of the before. And please don't judge, okay? Because I just kind of was like throwing stuff in there, thinking, maybe I'll get around to it one day. I finally did. Angela helped me. She was a big help. But wait till you see the after. You are never going to believe it. Okay, guys, the before. So embarrassed to show you this. Are you ready? The only thing I have here is this, which I'm going to switch out anyways. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed to show you this. I'm telling you. It is so bland and so boring. Look at this. It's super boring. I bought this so long ago. I put it here. The tag is still on it. It's from Ray Dunn. I have 2 front loaders, if you can see here. And I don't know why that's flashing, but okay. It's a mess. That's it for decor. Again, terrible. And then that little Dollar Tree thing. And I hate this kind of laundry wash thing or sink wash thing. Sink. It is terrible, but it's going to stay because it is what it is. And again, yeah. And then if you turn on this side, I'm going to show you this. It's a double closet. It's a closet. And it's my linen closet. Let me open it so you can see it. And it's just stacked full of towels, laundry detergents, my iron board, toilet paper down there, paper towels up here, blankets. Yeah, it's pretty bad. And I'm a little bit of a hoarder. And then on this side, I have some cleaning supplies and some soaps and stuff like that. You know, just the regular stuff that you need. I want to clean this up. And I gotta clean out these towels. I mean, these, look how faded this is. This is old beach towels. I want to get rid of these. They gotta go. So yeah, that's the before. Okay. Here's the after. Now it's not decorated, but wait till you see what we did. Okay, the sign has remained where it was. The Ray Dunn sign. Didn't move it, didn't touch it at all. Now you remember these blank closet doors? Okay, you could see here that we added one side of the closet door. I put that Dollar Tree contact paper, and I have a plan for that other store right there, and you'll see that in a minute. Now here's where the big change happened. And I love it. I love it. I cleaned everything off the washer and dryer. And I added these 2 shelves. And I just put some decor on. If you remember that little laundry room sign, that was on the front door of the laundry room. And these here, oh my God, these are awesome. I showed these in a shopping haul long time ago. They were one of the very first things I thrifted, and they are clothespins, candle holders, and it was a set of 3. There's the little one up there, but I flipped it upside down because I'm thinking of making it a vase, but you'll see because I'm going to decorate with you guys. And now what I'm going to do, and oh, let me show you one last thing that I did because I showed this in a shopping haul recently, actually in my last video, and I was going to tell you guys if it was good or not, is this laundry room runner. Now, I found it in red only, and I've linked some other ones, but they were out of stock when I was trying to order. So this is the one I found, and it is really nice. I'm going to go in close so you can see it, and it's pretty good quality. It's really nice. It's rubber backed. There it is there. It's linked in my Amazon store. So I'll put the link down below so you want, if you're interested in this. And I just cleaned up. Thing I wanna touch on before I go get the decor and we decorate this together. My laundry room is very plain, like super builder plain. And okay, I know a lot of you are gonna ask about the shelves. What are they made out of? These brackets here, guys, if you see these brackets here, they're just those cheap brackets from the Dollar Tree or Dollar Store. Like, you can find these anywhere. They're really inexpensive brackets. And the wood is leftover construction wood from one of my sites. I just cut it down. That's all I did. It's a big beam. It's what you sandwich wood to make a beam. So if any of you are wondering, you could buy any wood at Home Depot. This was just sitting outside, so I didn't even stain it or anything. I just cleaned it up, and I let it weather naturally in the elements. So that's why it's got this nice color. But I really like the color, and I think it looks really good in here. So I'm gonna go to the basement and get some stuff and start decorating. Okay, guys, here's the final reveal. I'm so excited. This is a really plain magnolia wreath that's actually from Walmart from Christmas, but I added it here to the door and I absolutely love it. Okay, you ready? Because this is a huge, huge transformation. Guys, I love it. Look how nice it turned out. Okay, let's go in so you can see all the details. So first off, you see this round mirror that I put here above the sink. And guys, when I tell you this is a really bad builder, this is a really bad builder. That sink isn't reinforced in the back, so I actually did reinforce it. And another thing I found out was this entire time that I've been living here, I've been wondering why the dryer doesn't dry. Well, the dryer vent was actually broken. So, yeah, that's just an FYI. Okay, the mirror is round. It's a round mirror. Obviously, you can tell, and you can see me. Hi, guys. And I just painted it with the chalk, the Waverly chalk paint from Walmart in moss green, and then I lightly distressed it. And that was that. And then on this side, on top of the washer and dryer, I added 2 buffalo plaid table runners. You can find these at Walmart, but you can also find them on Amazon. I've linked some in my Amazon store down below, so you'll get an idea. If you don't want to run out to Walmart and get them, you can pick them up in Amazon and have them delivered at home. Then I had this really nice wicker basket. I added this flower and garden picture with some wildflowers just to kind of conceal the mechanics back there. I don't really want you to focus on those. And then these 2 bottles, I'm going to put detergent in one and softener in the other. I just didn't have time to do it right now. But the D works out really good for the detergent. And then on the top shelf here, on the first shelf, I have the clothespin candle holders. Oh my god, they're the cutest. I just put greenery balls, and then in the little basket are my dryer sheets, a little faux greenery pot, and then that laundry guide is from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, and I've had it for a while. And the lantern is from Michael's, and I have like a faux flickering candle. And then this wash, dry, fold, and repeat sign used to be above the sink, and it was navy blue. And Angela said, "Mom, let's paint it." So we painted that just to bring in the color. And I love the green. I love that moss green. And then we hung it up there, and I think it looks fantastic. It is from Michael's from last year. And then on the top shelf here, I just did the laundry room sign from Hobby Lobby. I added a little greenery. I flipped the candle holder, the small candle holder, upside down, and I added some greenery in there. And then this kind of, I don't know, puzzle piece, I guess, that I got on at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I haven't used it ever, never knew what to do with it, but I think it actually looks really cute there. And that's it. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then yeah, I know you guys saw the door, the closet door. I think this just looks so good. And with the carpet, I'm just gonna pan back so you can get a view of the entire room because I just think it looks so super cute. We love it. We love it. Me and Angela were saying how great it looks and how much fun it's gonna be to actually do laundry in here. So yeah, so that's pretty much the whole room, and there's the carpet. It just brings some cheer and some color. I wish I found the carpet in a different color, but I didn't. Now, if this, okay, I'll tell you all about that later. Okay, my sweet friends, that is it. Isn't that amazing? See what you can do with barely any money? I mean, really, barely any money. The brackets, I bought the brackets a while ago, so I had them because I've always wanted to do the shelves. I just never got around to it. And I figure since we're in staycation, we might as well do something. So I didn't show how I put them up. They're very, very simple. But don't worry, because in the next house, there's going to be so much renovating. And I can't wait. Okay, so that's, whoop. Okay, so that's one thing. And then, just a few things from Amazon, the runners and the carpet. The carpet is fantastic quality. It doesn't roll up and it stays in place because I did do laundry last night, just so you know. And I had it down. So it's really, really good. And it looks like it would be something you could just throw in the wash and clean it if it got like dirt or anything on it. So that was a really good buy. So I highly recommend it. It's linked down in my Amazon store under laundry room. And the runners, I think, are linked in the Amazon store as tableware. So if you're interested in that, and if you want to see, like, what does Bella pick in Amazon, go head over there. Okay, so everything else I had. I know, you believe it? Everything else I had. I love decor. I love decor. I love decor. So it was simple. Went down in the basement, got stuff, went back up, got more stuff. Those candle holders that are the big giant, what are they called? Clothespins? I bought those so long ago, almost 2 years ago. And I kept them all this time and thinking, I'm going to use them, I'm going to use them, I'm going to use them. I'm going to bring them with me definitely to the new house. Definitely, definitely. I love it. I hope you love it. I hope it gave you inspiration. Use your imagination. Search on Pinterest. If this is your forever home, I would go a step above. Like I would maybe get really good wallpaper. I might shiplap the back of the, I would. If this was my forever house, I would shiplap the wall that I put the shelves on. Definitely, that would be something. Or I would tile the entire wall. That's something else I might do. Ooh, possibilities are endless. I would change those doors. They are the flimsiest doors ever. But hey, you know what? Again, it's not my forever house. It's fine. I'm not going to worry about it. I hope you had a good time. I hope you had some fun spending the day with me, spending some time with me. I love when you guys pop over. I love you guys. What can I say? You all know how much I love my subbies. I love you guys. I love you guys. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing weekend. do something fun, do something creative. It is so hot here today that me and Angela are on our way out. Oh yeah, speaking of that, we gotta go out because our TV broke. So we're gonna go buy a new TV. Anyways, I love you guys. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you very, very soon. Mwah! Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.